Hey everybody, Dan from The Modern Defender, and today we are going to revisit our walking stick, self-defense. Stick around. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Hey everyone, so today I have the same walking stick I had with me in my last video, and I've got a lot of questions about this stick. This is just a maple walking stick that I purchased at a store years ago. I don't remember where I bought it, but I would recommend, if you want to get a wooden walking stick instead of those aluminum poles that look like you're skiing, you might want to find a store in your area that sells walking sticks that you can go in and just get a good feel for. If it feels sturdy enough to strike with, it probably is, okay? I've had this one for years. I use it all the time. And not only do I use it as a walking stick, but I know that I have the skills to apply this stick defensively if I need to. So we had a couple questions after the last video, so let's just address those right now. The most popular question I had was, what if they grab your stick? It's certainly a possibility. What we want to do is we want to minimize the potential for that. So what we're going to do is, I always like a shot, like a fake. Like, I'm going to bring the stick up defensively to see how they're going to react. Do their hands drop? If their hands drop with either a forward motion or a fake to the side, that gives us an open window to strike high, okay? So you fake low, you bring the stick up. Are they still charging? Do their hands drop? If the hands drop again, we whack them high. One of the things you want to practice with your walking stick, okay, or any stick, go in the yard, find a piece of wood, find a old broomstick that you don't use anymore. You can practice all these motions with something that might not be sturdy enough to strike with, but practicing these motions is very important. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of things that you can practice. Number one, bad guys in front of me. I may have seen this happen, maybe see this guy coming towards me. I don't like it. I want to step back and get into a defensive position. Now, a lot of you would say, well, your stick's way out in front, and what if he grabs it? Well, guess what? I hope he tries to grab it. Because if they do try and grab this stick, we're stepping off the line and striking either the neck, which is my preferred target, or the face, which is also a nice target, okay? Striking the neck definitely will have an effect on their ability to breathe, and you don't want to have that your ability to breathe taken away from you. All right, so again, let's just practice this technique. Step back, hand up. I'm right-handed. I'm going to rise my left so that my right hand brings the power, okay? So again, step back, their hands drop, they might go to grab it, wham, shot across the face or across the neck. Either one. All right, again, notice I'm stepping back. I'm in a position where I can move to my right or to my left. For the sake of this exercise, I'm moving to my left and striking the throat. Okay? I can also move to my right and strike down low to the leg. A lot of people don't think about the leg strikes when it comes to walking sticks, okay? But I tell you what, a hard shot to the leg will have an effect. How will that have an effect? Well, it's going to get their hands to drop. Maybe he comes in to grab me now, and I'm going to step out of the way and bring it back across the face. Your ability to move and strike is essential. If I'm just standing here striking at this guy, yes, he is going to grab my stick. But if I'm moving out of the way, every time he makes an an aggressive motion, I'm stepping off the line, okay? He's coming at me, bam, I'm stepping off the line, maybe deflecting what he's trying to do. All right, so remember, these basic strikes are out with the left or up with the left and across with the right, okay? The third strike I've been doing is one where I come around my head, bringing my left hand under my arm, okay? And instead of just doing this, I'm kind of winding up for it as I do it, okay? Those are really the three basic strikes to walking stick self-defense, and those are really all you need to know. Of course, there's the driving strike to the throat, or maybe more of a baseball bat swing, but we're not going to worry about those right now. And yes, you can implement a baseball bat swing to the leg. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Okay, go for it. If it's there, if it's available, wham, take his legs out. But just remember, your number one goal is to defend and escape. It's not to stand there and beat the bad guy up with your stick. If you didn't start this situation, and you certainly should not have, and you're purely defensive, defend and get the heck out of there, okay? It's your number one goal. Then you call 911. All right, so let's just go over a couple things. So what I think you should practice for your walking stick self-defense would be step back, left hand up. Or again, if you're left-handed, it'll be a right hand up. I'm gonna step back right, bring up my left hand. I'm in a nice position to either strike over the top, to the leg, to the neck. Either way, I'm stepping off the line and having that motion to the body, to the throat, the face, to the groin. It doesn't matter, okay? This defensive posture will give us an opportunity to read what they're going to do before we strike, okay? And again, I could step to the outside right away, hit the body, okay? Get the hands to drop. This strike that comes across is one of your most powerful strikes. I also like the spinning third strike that we did. And again, I'm just spinning with it and striking with it, okay? But again, all this stuff takes a little bit of practice. And with a little bit of practice, you guys will be able to become very dangerous with a walking stick. Remember, movement, balance, and set them up. See what they're gonna do, get a read, and strike. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video about our walking stick self-defense. Hey, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. We'll see you next time on The Modern Defender. Stay safe out there, everybody.